Hello, my name is Nasheana Mitchell. I'm going to sing a song by Adele called Set Fire to the Rain. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, I was over, but then you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true, never true. And the games you'd play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned and I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you called must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned and I cried and I heard it scream out your name, your name. Oh.